This is the Rick Owen. Rick Owen. Okay, lakas mag-artista niyan. It's really flat. Okay, alright, now I'm gonna fit it. Okay. Wow. Wow. For a non-polarized shades, it's very clear. Ba yan? First time mag-review ng sunglasses. Alright, so today I'm not really good with reviews, but this is really my first time doing this. Came in a box like this. Okay, the block box, and you can see there. Gentle Monster. Okay. Okay. So here it is. There. Okay. So I'm gonna pull out this pouch, and it comes in a black pouch like this. Alright. Then they also got I think these are like the authentication cards. I don't know. Let me just see. Just check it first. Oh yeah, so it came with an authenticity certificate card. So at the back it has a code that says here, remove the sticker and check the serial code, then verify the authentication at code.gentlemonster.com. Okay, so it actually looks like this. So this is the authenticity certificate card, and the serial number is, of course, you have to remove the sticker first before you can see it. Alright, so that's how it looks like. And then also has this Gentle Monster cloth wipes. Okay, so those are the only things that are in the box. Now let's put that back here. Okay, and then here we go. Right, so let's pull out the sunglasses. Okay, actually, like this one has hinges here like this. You can see it like that, so you can easily open it. And there we go. Dum, 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 dum. Okay, so it comes in a plastic like this that says Gentle Monster. I don't know, I've seen some reviews and I didn't see the Gentle Monster name in the plastic. I don't know if they just changed it recently, if they just applied it recently, but this is how it looks like now, and it's 2021. It's October 2021 right now, so just to let you know, this is how it looks like now. Okay. Alright, now we're gonna pull out the shades. Okay, and it's wrapped in a plastic film like this. And before we get into the shades or the sunglasses, we're gonna check out some of the stuff that it is also inside the plastic. Says here, original, I don't know how you read it, Zeiss, original Zeiss sun lenses. So I noticed Zeiss is also, I think, the lens that Sony is using for their Sony ZV-1 camera. So right now that's what I'm using, and I can see that there's a Zeiss logo in there. So I guess they're the same thing. Okay. So it says here just very basic stuff about Zeiss. I don't know if you're interested in that. And it also comes with this one. I know, is this like an instructions for how you care for the glasses? I don't know. And it says here Rick 01. So this manual, I know I would just call it a manual. So this one is personalized, or specially, not really specially. I don't know about the contents, but at the back part of it, it has a sticker that says Rick 01. So I would say just this part is customized for the item. It says here Rick 01. I don't know if you can see that right there. Okay, it says Gentle Monster. Alright, and now let's get into the sunglasses. Okay, alright, so we're gonna open it. Alright, like, okay, I'm just gonna show it to you later, because you might not see it with the plastic on, so I'm gonna remove it first. Alright. Okay, so we already removed one plastic. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't know what, I'm not really sure what color this is, but I think it's rose gold. I think it's rose gold. So it says here Gentle Monster on the side, or on the temple of the sunglasses, and then now I'm gonna remove the other side. So it's the same thing. It says there Gentle Monster in rose gold. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. And then going to remove it. Wow, wow, this sunglasses is gigantic. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the plastic now. Okay, it says on the side right here says Rick. So you're not going to see the 01 here. It only says Rick. And then on the other side says Gentle Monster right here. Oops. See, I'm not really good with this kind of things. Alright, so I'm just showing it to you the other side. Okay. And it says here, oh, I don't know, it didn't say Rick, I didn't say 01 after the Rick, but somehow, I don't know if you can see it from the camera, but there's a part here that says it's written in very little letters, and it's written in white. So it says 01 and made in China. And then there's I guess these are the measurements of, I know, the sunglasses. Says here 64 just a bunch of numbers and there's a square as well. 64 square, 70, I don't know, something like that. So I don't know, usually I see that from Ray-Bans, so I'm not sure if that is the dimensions of the sunglasses. So, well, and you can see here, I'm not really sure, there, you can see right here that they have the Zeiss logo or the Zeiss logo. Okay. Alright. You can see the hinges right there. Okay. And if you want to see it, like how it looks like this. Or let's try to put down the camera a bit. Okay, so you can already see that. So this is the Rick 01 by Gentle Monster. Okay, alright, so now I'm gonna try to fit it. Okay, oh my gosh, excuse my my face, because I don't really prepare for this video. Like what I said, I don't do this kind of videos. This is my first time. Oh, I forgot to show you like the bullets right here. Oh my god, that looks gorgeous. Oh my gee, this looks gorgeous. And actually they are colored, they're gold bullets. They're gold bullets. And it's, if you can see from the side, it's really flat. This. It's really flat. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna fit it. Alright. Wow. Wow. You know guys, like Lakas Muka Artista. So again, like this is the Rick 01. So even though this is oversized and I got very, like my cheeks are so puffy, they're so chubby. Usually when I wear like oversized sunglasses, when I try to smile like this, it goes up like way up here, like this. But with this one, it's just I don't really see it go up, but maybe I can feel it goes up very minimal. Diba? Lakas maka-artista niyan. Yan. Ay, feel na feel ko lang. And then if I'm going to describe you how clear it is, for a non-polarized shades, it's very clear. It's very comfortable. If I'm gonna compare this with Ray-Bans that is polarized, I would say, of course, like the polarized ones are still much clearer. So yeah. I love it. Love it. Lakas maka-artista niyan. Ayan. I'm just so happy. And yeah, so again, this is the Rick 01. Rick Owen. I forgot to tell you something, that on the authentication card, I just found out that it's it actually indicates where you bought it, which store. So I bought mine from Feature. Again, that's one of the online shops that Gentle Monster recommends you if you want to shop online for their glasses. That's one of them, www.feature.com. That's it. I just forgot to tell you that. And again, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.